is Jennifer.
And Claire.
And we are super excited. Claire's been wanting this, and so we bought this water elf kit, and we're super excited to show you. So the first thing we're going to show you is it comes with these eggs. All that you do is you get a glass of water, pick one egg out, and you're going to put the egg into the glass of water. It's slightly anticlimactic. You're going to wait for 10 hours, and then this is going to pop out. So we'll keep an eye on that. But this is the exciting part. Okay, so we already started. We have 2 liters of water, and we also have the water elf powder. So for 2 liters of water, you put in 40 grams of the powder. So I'm gonna open this up and have Claire do the honors. And then we are going to have her mix it to dissolve all of the magic powder. Okay, so now everything is dissolved. Now comes the fun part. You get a bunch of different molds. Stay tuned to the end, and we're going to show you those up close. So you pick a mold, and you're going to dunk it in the water, and then you are just going to take it out and just shake the water up, because you don't want the water to be remaining on there. You just want it to be a little wet. You're going to set your mold down, and then you pick colors out to put in your mold.
The gels are really easy to use. Just make sure that you take off the protective covers first so that you are ready to go. My biggest tip would be to use more gel. We used a little bit less at first and they just weren't as full. So definitely go heavy on the gel, get creative with all the different colors. This part was a lot of fun.
Okay, last step, we're going to dip it in and then just wait, and the gel is going to harden and then float off of the mold.
Okay, so here you go. The big key is patience. Fill the molds up as much as possible, and then when you submerge them into the water solution, just be patient and let them come off, and then let them sit in the water to really plump up for 4 hours. We actually left ours in there a lot longer, and they plumped up beautifully. Here are a few more. Again, the more you fill them, the better. The gel is a breeze to work with. The colors are really vibrant. You get so many different options to allow for the most creativity. So let's take a look at some of our creations. These are plump and, as Claire says, so juicy and fun to play with. Okay, to maintain this squishy goodness and to avoid this shrunken little fish, you must store them in a tub of water. They are really just the perfect squishies once you finish them up and you let them sit in the solution for 4 hours. This kit is so much fun. We are really, really loving it. We have played with this now for 3 nights in a row, and we just can't get enough.
This water elf kit was so much fun. We are definitely going to be giving this for birthday gifts. I love that everything lives in its own box with a lid that latches on. Can have all of your colors in there, all of your magic powder, your molds, and the net. This kit is so much fun and so creative. Great for summer days when the kids aren't at school. I loved it, Claire.
I really like it too.
Highly recommend.